Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this List Infinity Payment Proof video. I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you real-time proof of the 100% commissions I am earning instantly and directly to my Stripe account while building a viral email list. So this is a platform that's been around for more than a year now. And for its year anniversary, Derek actually updated this whole business and added some brand new marketing courses, which is the product that we have. And he went ahead and added a new level. So we now have an elite level. So in order for you to earn on all three levels, you have to upgrade from whatever level you are on to the elite level. And that gives you access to everything in the elite level. So yesterday, funny enough, I recorded a video of me upgrading to the elite level and all that. And lo and behold, this morning I woke up to one of our members actually upgrading from pro level to elite level as well. And here is the email I got this morning. And the email says, one of your referrals is upgraded to elite. So these are the details here. So I actually earned $200. And it's been a good week because I earned another $100. And these are Stripe payments. But I also earned another $100 through PayPal. Okay. So it's been a really, really good week this week so far. So let me show you my Stripe account right here. So this is a payment that just came in last night, and I woke up to this morning. And then if I go to payments here, you can see what I was talking about, how the 11th and the 14th, this is the same week, I've actually earned $300 in total from Stripe and $100 on PayPal. These on the 11th, I actually woke up to two payments. So this is a great system if you're interested in getting paid 100% commissions instantly and directly to build your email list. You can go ahead and click the link in the description to create your free account. As a free member, you can actually use the system for free, but you cannot earn commissions as a free member. And if you have any questions, my virtual business card will be in the description as well. You can reach out to me on the different social media platforms. My email, phone number, everything's there. You can even schedule a meeting with me. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Otherwise, if you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.